Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the stream and welcome to the show. How's it going? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Welcome back to the show. How was the aftermath of the London session? Dominic, hello there. Farhad, good to see you back. Vera, hello. Awesome price action, right? I knew it. I know that the price action is awesome. All right, but here we are right now. We're back. Oh, I'm actually in a trade. I forgot to tell you guys. I'm in a scalp trade here. Nothing special. I'm just trying to scalp it with 6 micros. It's a little bit heavy position, I know. But anyway. Yeah, let's go with this. I should be popping that level up there, at least I hope. If it not, well, that's good too. But anyway. Oh, come on, just go higher. So, Burrito, hello. Bear Trader, welcome back. How's it going? How's it going, everyone? Yeah, so far we're gonna have unemployment claims not too far from now. Actually, that's gonna be in 1 hour and 12 minutes, right? In 1 hour and 12 minutes, we are going to have unemployment. Is that unemployment claims? Yes, unemployment claims. So I guess price action could be a little bit sideways here until then. You know what? I'm just gonna take it off. I don't care. I just took it off. I don't like it. I thought that because on the 1 minute, I'm going to tell you why I thought that this could work, because there's no zone. I checked everything quickly. There is absolutely no target. Oh, look at that. Now it's going higher. Absolutely no target nowhere. We're just congesting into this area. Like, you know, this is what's going on. So I thought, like, there's a zone here on the 1 minute. I was like, why not just take it, you know? Why not just go back to the zone? And so that's a supply zone. I think it's a, yeah, it's a 1 minute zone. So why not just go back up there until we're waiting? Because we have time. And I thought, like, okay, why not? But it's better to close it. We can still go back there. Who knows? Yeah, I don't know if it will do anything good. Loving Nature Guy, hello, welcome back. Yeah, CPI is gonna be the real big kicker. The CPI. Now that is gonna be interesting for sure. I wonder if we can. Maybe I'm gonna have some FOMO, but I thought that we're gonna go to that supply zone now. So let's wait for it. I have no trades on yet, so I'm flat. But look at this, man. It's gonna go up there. Okay. Look at it. It's gonna go into the zone. I'm gonna feel some FOMO here. My TP was at 59, so it technically would have hit my TP if I would have not closed it down, but I closed it. Good morning, Daniel. Hello. Gold analysis. Let's go to the CFD contract, right? XAU USD. All right, let's see what's happening. Let's get this off. Oh my gosh, it's terrible. Terrible the way it looks. Basically the same as on futures, right? So not much of a big deal. There is a zone. I need to check it if it's there on the 5 minute or not. Yeah, it's there. So it's the same as on futures. There's a 5-minute supply zone higher on gold right there. It has been it has been tagged once here, but on futures, by the way, I think it has not been, or was it? Maybe it was. Oh yeah, this was today. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I was not streaming by this time, so it has been tagged once, but nevertheless, oh sorry, that's a supply zone up there on the 5 minutes. So 5-minute supply zone. I see nothing on the downside on gold. I'd like to see gold completely take out the supply zone and just go higher. I checked everything on futures. I guess it's the same here on CFD as well to look for some supply zones or levels. There's nothing. I'm still kind of bullish, although we have these swing lows. So lower high, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we have all these higher lows here, which kind of gives me the creeps because, like, you know, just look at that. We have this, 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 and this. So what if the market wants to take out these levels? So even if you're trying to go through that zone, I would say just, you know, be ready in case it wants to drop all the way down there. So let's just wait until the news, and if it closes higher into the zone, then you can go long. Otherwise, be careful because there's lots of trend line liquidity down there. That's what I think. So I'm not going to trade gold, that's for sure. I'm not touching it. I'm not doing anything with gold for now, at least today. Was yesterday the 400 point went lower? You are welcome, Daniel. By the way, everybody, can you help me out and smash the like button, please? Pretty please. I haven't even checked the numbers yet. I want to make sure that we are getting good ratings on YouTube. So thank you for the support. Let's see. We are having 17 likes. Thank you so much. 64 viewers, which is amazing. Can we get to 30 at least? I will check back later. Thank you. Okay, back to the zone. So that's it. That was the move for now, because I really did check every possible level here on NQ, and this is what's going to happen. We're just going to range all the way. Like, here's the news at 8:30, right? So there's the 8:30 news. What can we do, right? There's only so much we can do with that. If you put a gun to my head and ask me to choose to lean towards bull side or bear side on NQ, I would choose bull side. Yeah, I would choose bear side. No, I don't know. I really don't know. We have to wait for the news. If the news is not going to be any surprise, yeah, you're watching the daily. Oh, yeah, the daily. Well, yeah, we are still in this suspension area, and we have another unbalanced price range on the daily. And look at this. We have a doji candle from yesterday. Should be taking out one side here and there, but I'm leaning a little bit more bearish. So if there's going to be no surprise on the news, look at this 302 level. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this area down there, that whole area. That's what interests me. Actually, 302. We talked about that many times. 55 points is nothing, guys. It's nothing. That's what I'm looking for. I gotta get some more tea, everybody. I need to get some tea. Bum, bum. Well, it could be dropping down there. What a slow day so far, right? It's definitely a slow day. It is. Like the whole London session, what was the range here? Actually, it wasn't that bad. Like 40 points range. Not really the best, right? Not really the best. Three hours of sleep are starting to get me. Hey, you gotta sleep more. Sometimes it's okay to go with 3 hours. I get it because we all done that. But like, you need to get more. You need to get at least 6 or 7 hours. The bare minimum would be 6 hours. I do believe that is needed. But like, if you can go with like 7. Well, NQ is super slow, so you actually didn't really miss anything. Mark, hello. Yeah, I was super busy too. Mr. Brown, where is your TP? What? What TP? What TPT? Where is the TP? I have no positions on it. That's what you're asking. How you doing? How you doing, M Brownie? I'm just gonna say Brownie. Look at this. On futures, by the way, gold. Look at gold on futures. It still has not. I mean, it didn't go up there to the zone, so it tagged it. By the way, on the CFD contract, which is quite interesting. But on futures, it did not. No TRADEIFY. What's up with TRADEIFY? Oh, TRADEIFY. I don't know what you mean, but you know. Dun, dun, dun. London trade was horrible. It was. I'm actually surprised. Like, how is it even possible, like, to trade in this range? The Krishna Bhat, hello. Hello there. I'm gonna call you Krishna. All right. Doing great. Thank you. How you doing? Thank you so much for being here with us on this amazing day, because we're gonna have some news. Well, in about 59 minutes. And who knows what's going to happen until then. VWAP is slowly climbing higher. All right. I'm going to make a quick phone call. I need to get a quick phone call here. Just a second. Market makers, you know, that's how it goes. All right, I'm here. The market makers were calling and they said, sorry, Tom, but no liquidity, no volatility until after the news. So this is what it was. It is what it is. Dominic, let's see why you're bullish. I was off damage long position. This one did not disrespect the daily bullish fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. Stepped into daily bullish order block and showed perfect bullish sign. Yeah, it did show. Yeah, that's actually a good analysis, Dominic. I like that. Continuation towards. I like the 525. Sorry, 515 level there. So. Good idea. Daniel, hello there. Yeah. So depending on how far deep retracement or pullbacks, like I wouldn't mind going down there to like that 300 level, but who knows? You know, we have some levels here and there. Dr. Dolly, hello. How are you doing? We are having 27 likes. Can we get to like at least above 50? Can we get to above 50 likes, please? Can we do that? I'm sorry I was on the phone, but I had to be on the phone. Let's get to 50 likes. It's super simple to do. I know we can do it. I know we can get to 50 likes. So we went through this 1 minute supply zone here, and yeah. And who knows what's going to happen here. Let's go, Steve Huang. Hello, welcome to the channel. Kind of waiting for the news here. Welcome, thank you for joining. Oh, sorry, let me get this off. Yeah, that's what it's gonna do. Messing around before the news release. So yeah, we're gonna have unemployment claims today. And that is it. $8:30 Eastern Standard. Not much to do until then, right? Not much to do. Okay, what else do we have? If news actually spike 5:15, then I will be out of ideas. Well, yeah. If it goes through real quick, I mean, what do they expect? Unemployment, they're expecting obviously a lower number. And there's nothing else there. So it's just going to be a lower number. That is all. That's what they want. The 15-minute chart looks like consolidation between 330 and 70, 40.7. Yeah, yeah, look at that. Just barcoding. This is why the London session was so bad. It was really bad. Very boring, Asia. London session was also very boring. Everyone's waiting for the news. 39 likes. We are at 39 likes. Can we get to 50? Can we get to 50 likes? Let's do it, everyone. I know we can. Okay, there's nothing here. You know what? I'm still gonna lean bearish. You know, I can expect that we can go all the way down, like 80 points, easy. Easy peasy, lemon cheesy. And by the way, there's also a 1 minute zone here, somewhere around 353. Okay. Okay, that got taken out. That is all we have. That is all. Jip Smith, hello. Schwang, I hope news is bullish so we can in fact get a trend. Yes, a trendy day would be really good. That would be really, really good. We might have a chance for a possible drop here. Only for a couple of points. Let's see what happens. Just for fun, I might be interested to take a short position. Look at that. All right. You're a divergence trader, so trends were difficult as well. Yeah, I can imagine that. Yeah, I mean, by the way, I think divergence trading is so cool. I think it's just cool. I think it's awesome. I took a short trade here just for scalping purposes. I'm a little bit curious if we can get down to that zone. It's not about the profit, it's about just, you know, I'm just testing I'm having a script on NinjaTrader. I'm kind of testing what's it gonna do. I still have a sell limit at, so I'm gonna add one more micro at 66.50 if it goes higher. Trading Star is here in the flesh. Trading Star, just an idea. We had a really crazy trade in the London session to save you some time. But I mean, it was, I don't know. You can check it out later. It was a crazy trade. Took partials, but the rest of the position got out break even, but it was almost took my stop loss. It was really crazy, a scalp trade. How you doing, Trading Star? Hey, and Terry is here. Have no fear, everybody. Terry is here. Oh, how's it going, Terry? Good to see you. I know what you're doing. You're doing the makeup and the hair. That's just a, you know, just a wild idea, just a wild guess. Already downloaded. All right, thank you. Awesome. All right, so this is the scalp trade that I'm in. Nothing fancy. 2 micros and that is it. What I might do is, yeah, I'm just kind of looking for, what's the open of this candle? Open of this candle is 53. So I'm good with 54.50 up there. And you know what? I'm going to put a buy stop. This is what I did all day because of, you know, boredom. I was like, not just boredom, but like 1 or 2 micro crazy scalping. That was the purpose of the day. It's good. Exactly. Well, I don't know. I just had a wild guess and listening. Okay. She is loading paper into her money printer. I know that's what she's doing, right? She's printing money. Anyway, so we still have time until news. And I'm just, you know, kind of waiting of what to do here. I mean, this is like a super small trade. It can still go higher, obviously. I don't know if we can get back to the zone down there. We'll see. If not, that's cool too. You know, that's how it goes. I got my Lucid Funded account messed up because of yesterday trade of 8 months up. Oh, it will be better. Tom, is this a new trading strategy? You wrote a script? No, it's not exactly. I didn't write. This is not the new trading strategy. This is just a order execution script or something. Actually, I got it from a friend of mine who likes NinjaTrader, and he told me if I want to scalp, I should use this. So you guys don't see it, that I don't want to drag it over because I set up everything on my other screen perfectly. It's just basically a control panel. That's it, nothing more. And I'm just testing it. But so far it's okay. It's managing also bracket orders and such. But yeah. It's just for order management, basically. Nothing more. So I thought, like, let's try it out. But I feel like there's nothing special in it, by the way. So the basic chart trader, the built-in chart trader and NinjaTrader is almost the same. Not many difference. You're waiting for Lucid support team's answer. They said they need to investigate furthermore. Oh, okay. Well, hopefully Hopefully they will come up with a solution. I mean, so far there was no issue with Lucid lately. Everything was really fine. No issues. But we still have 40 minutes until news. You know, I think they might gonna push it higher before the news release, because the number is not gonna be as good as they're expecting. It's just gonna tank like 100 points easily, or at least 50 or 60 points immediately. So they just want to make sure that it's being pushed higher. So no problem. My trade is like, look at this. I'm just $30. I think my stop is going to be around $50. That's completely okay. But yeah, so far it seems like nothing is going on here. They are lovely. All right. I started trading in Lucid. What happened? Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think there was a glitch though, because I think I tried to put on a trade and it didn't put on the trade, but it appeared later. I think it was only 1 micro, but I immediately closed it. So, you know. AVR Dream, hello, welcome, welcome. All right, let's get back to the zone down there. All right, let's get that zone. I was hearing people mentioning issues about TRADEIFY, but I was having 0 issues on TRADEIFY TPT at the same time. Well, it's also that they told me it depends on how many servers are they renting from TRADEIFY, because TRADEIFY is renting their servers and software, and if they have too much overload, there could be some issues, you know, like too many users trying to execute or whatever. So it's not just TRADEIFY's fault. It's also because if the prop firm is not having enough resources to manage all the load, like all the clicks and connection, I mean all the data. So, but I'm not sure. I mean, someone told me this like about a year ago. Then usually that is what's causing the problems. Trade weight glitch. Traders couldn't close trades. Oh, that's not good. A lot of liquidity on the south side. Yeah, let's hope and let's see. I was frozen. Execution was late 3 seconds. Oh, that's not good. Let me check something. I am seeing 53 likes, which is super amazing. We're having 150 viewers. This is super awesome. Can we get to about... Oh, let's go. Look at that. Can we get to around 75 likes? I know we can do that, right? Let's get to around 75 likes. Can we do it? Of course we can. Let's do it, everyone. Let's support the channel. DEW, you know. You know, this is what I say. Do it. This is going to be my new slogan. Just do it. Do it. Thank you, Terry. Yeah, Lucid said on live stream that they were like tripled the number of traders they have since the beginning of February. Wow. Well, everybody likes the rules at Lucid, so yeah. Exactly, Trading Star. I do notice that the Lucid's website, especially around the market open hours, I'm guessing because of the new orders. I mean, people are buying or blowing up accounts and buying new ones. The website is like a little bit slow because they can't handle the traffic. And everyone is leaving Top Step. Yes, Tommy. I agree. I'm also hearing some rumors which I don't really think I want to share, but I'm not going to share. But I have some partially inside rumors that things are so far not looking sunny and bright at Top Step. So yeah, lots of people are leaving. But hopefully they will manage to pull it back from this negative tsunami. I pressed like 10 times. Thank you. Thank you, Hippo Trader. Thank you. I appreciate it. We are at 71 likes. That is amazing. So we still have time to get 29 extra more. We can get 20. Once we get to 100, you know, that's the goal overall, every day, every session. If we can get to 100, that would be amazing. And I will stop nagging you guys with that. They are exactly, that's what I've heard. Yeah, I don't want to say, I know some info, but if I'm going to say it, I don't want to say it. So I don't want to say anything which has not been confirmed. I just know, I don't know. But things are not good right now, but hopefully they will make it better. I mean, it should be better, but currently it's really it's a shit show right now. That's what I'm saying currently. But hopefully, I hope that Top Step will get better, because it's practically the oldest prop firm, and that's definitely a huge career in the business. Lucid is adding TRADEIFY as one of their available platforms. Don't know. I think I heard the name, but I don't know anything about it. On last week we had a trade await glitch too. They removed all the losses during the time from accounts. I didn't even expect that. Oh wow, that is amazing. Yeah, Tommy. The thing is, currently at this current state, it seems like Top Step is really making Apex look awesome. I mean, I like Apex, by the way. So I'm just saying, like, I have no issue with Apex. So I know many of you guys hate Apex. I respect your opinion, but I have no problem with that. And by the way, Apex is still down 80%. It's the final countdown. Okay, 1 more minute until 8. Let's see if we can expect anything. This one created a supply zone as well up here. So this is a supply zone right here. On the 1 minute. It can still go up there. Actually, never mind. I take it back. That's not a supply zone. I take it back. That's not a supply zone. I was wrong. This is not a supply zone up there. Okay, can we go lower to the 302 levels? You have funding accounts with them. I never had an issue. There you go, Apex Space. If you trade by the rules, that's it. I find the intraday trailing drawdowns to be incredibly hard to work with. Well, Shuang, I would say if you go for base hits, you know, smaller risk to reward ratios, it's not a big deal. With funded next, I have a little bit of experience, not too much. Not that they are bad. I was just focusing on other prop firms. But yes, I had a funded account with them, but I blew it up. So that was the only funded account I had, and I think I had like 2 or 3 evals. Again, not because I think they're bad. I have so many other, I mean, not so many, but quite a few other accounts that I'm trading with. Ready for the debate? Mr. Chuck Rhodes will be moderating. Okay. Chuck Rhodes. All right. All right, let's see. We are having 77 likes and 161 viewers. 23 more likes. That is all we need. 23 more likes. 23. Easy. Easy peasy lemon cheesy. Come on. Let's see. Oh. Oopsie. Oopsie. 16 more. Oopsie, oopsie. Guys, I might not be able to wait for the news. I'm actually not going to trade anyways, because a friend of mine actually delivering a package. He just sent a message. He's right here. 2 minutes. I have to pack some furniture basically in the garage in a couple of minutes. Okay, that's gonna be like at least 20 minutes or more. So guys, ladies and gents, I might have to cut it here. I might have to cut it here because I have to go down and I must help with the furniture. The news are gonna be at 8:30 in 27 minutes. And if you guys would like to catch me this morning, I will be at MyFunded TV in 57 minutes. And of course, tomorrow I'll be back London and New York. I'm sorry, I just have to help to I must go down to the garage and help out a little bit. So thank you, everybody. Good luck for the news event. I'm not taking any trades here, so it is what it is. If you would like to support the channel, please use the TOMSABO code up there. That's definitely helping a lot. Check it out with MyFundedFutures as well. Take Profit Trader, daily payouts, TRADEDAY as well. Apex at Bulenox are down 80% off. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one for free. Thank you so much for the support. Yes, Terry. I'm sorry, I just have to go down because a friend of mine, I wasn't expecting him, but he's right down there waiting for me and I have to help him. Thank you so much. I'll be back shortly at MyFunded TV. Join us. Me and Terry will be having an awesome debate. All right. God bless you all. Cheers. I'll be seeing you guys shortly. Cheers.